want to give you an update regarding the multi-jurisdictional task force that we formed a few weeks ago. And this morning we want to announce that 21 warrants have been issued for 5 suspects in regards to that string of carjackings and an assortment of other crimes that have taken place within the city of Orangeburg recently. The arrests, of course, are the result of work by the multi-jurisdictional task force, which includes SLED, the Santee Police Department, the Bowman Police Department, the Orangeburg Sheriff's Department, and the Norway Police Department. The work of the task force is ongoing, and we've uncovered evidence that leads our investigators to believe that these crimes are gang-related and may have national and, in some cases, international implications. So we realize that as we continue the investigation, additional charges could be filed against those suspects that are in custody, and charges may be filed against other suspects that are yet to be identified.
Where were these suspects taken into custody?
The initial suspects that were taken into custody were in the Bowman area.
And will you provide copies of these warrants of those individuals who have been taken into custody?
I'll get with the investigators to see if that is part of the process that we are in a position to do right now.
Are these suspects local, and what are their age groups, ages range?
They are local. I believe there is one juvenile involved, and I'm not sure, but the oldest of them, I think, is in his mid-20s. We have some light evidence to indicate that there was a car theft ring operating out of the Charleston area, where vehicles were being placed in containers and shipped out of the country. And so we're following up now on information to determine if some of the vehicles that we had taken and have not yet found, if those vehicles might have been involved in that process. But we have confirmed that one of the suspects we arrested has been charged in connection with a murder in another jurisdiction. And that, to me, represents what we expect to happen when we utilize these multi-jurisdictional task forces, because it allows us to transcend jurisdictional boundaries. And I'm just excited about what has taken place with this multi-jurisdictional task force, particularly the level of participation from the smaller agencies that have been involved. The Bowman Police Department, Santee, Norway have been invaluable in terms of the resources and efforts that they provided.